Good morning, everybody. How are you doing, Cecilie?
I'm
This is our first day in Tam Coc. So, oh man, she looks so tired.
I just woke up.
And today we are going to rent a scooter and drive around the region of Ninh Binh. But first we need some food.
1, 2.
Oh, it is it is filming. Sorry.
Oh, no.
Oh, it is filming video.
Come on, you can do it.
Ah, there it was.
Ah, she's smaller than she looks.
Shut up.
Okay. So, we have arrived at the
Trang An.
Trang An.
So, this is where you can do a boat tour. You pay a nice lady to row you into some caves.
And yesterday we saw they do it with their feet. Not
Yeah.
sure if they will do the same here.
Probably.
But yeah.
So,
Rowers.
and the road from Tam Coc still here is so beautiful.
Yeah, it's super nice. And from here you have to pay 200,000 Vietnamese dong, and then you can choose one of these 3 different routes. And to be honest, we don't know the difference at all. It's just something about how many caves you go into, and it should take 3 hours. So I don't know which route we'll take. I guess we'll just ask the lady what's nicest.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
It's very promising when they give you this. So beautiful up here. Oh my god. I mean, the mountains in front of me, all the scenes. You see the temple over there?
A temple. I didn't see it before now.
I can see it as well.
This is the temple dedicated to Tam Coc,
Okay.
who was this national hero. I think he was teaching people how to boost agricultural development. So we made a little strategy to wait to get on the boat, so maybe we could get the front seat and not just watch the umbrella the whole time. But it didn't work. They're waiting for us to step in first. So,
Okay.
damn it! A little water temple. Whatever you call it, a temple of water.
You think that is going to end well? Hey, you want to do the same?
Second temple of today.
So something awkward has occurred. We are quite right now discussing who our boat lady is.
No, I recognize her. You just don't recognize her.
I don't think it's her.
She's over there. Yes,
No.
it's her. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in into her.
It's quite cool that they have like several ways to go. It's like a maze. You can get lost in
You
here.
can get to the to hell, perhaps.
Oh.
To one of these caves.
Whoops. There goes our lady. Thank you for the ride.
Up to the next customer probably for another 3 hours.
So we decided to give her a tip. Like Glenn said, man, after 10 minutes of rowing, his arm just hurt so bad. So we were like,
On my back.
yeah, it's just so tough. She's so strong. She does it every day and hours. So we're currently discussing which scooter is ours.
Yeah, well, this
not
one
going
looks
very well
like
today.
ours, but there is also 2 over there which are exactly the same. This one is all the same, and that one is also the same. So okay, so apparently they have a lot of Yamaha. Okay, let's go to the next stop because
Yeah.
I'm being eaten alive here by flies. It's not
The
because I
next stop
stink.
is Hoa Lu, which is supposed to be the ancient capital.
Rivers run dry, dust spreads in the air. 2 dark days, do you have a tear to spare? Make a promise.
20,000 dong to go into 2 temples and it should be somewhere over here.
This is what happens when you are a tourist somewhere without a tour guide and you have all these nice temples and you know zero about it. But this place is so beautiful. It is the most beautiful place I've seen in Vietnam so far. It beats Lan Ha and Halong Bay in my opinion.
Yeah, it does.
I mean, this place is so old, even the trees have trouble holding themselves up.
Oh, I could use one of these sometimes. So, you can definitely see that this was an ancient city.
Yep.
How many years ago?
I think 1,000.
Okay, 1,000 years ago.
From the 10th, 11th century, so
This was the capital, as we said before.
of Vietnam,
Mm-hmm.
1,000 years ago-ish.
But we are more interested in nature and hiking, so there should be a viewpoint somewhere over there, and it's free according to Google. So we will do that now.
You're gonna build up some sweat.
Yeah.
So that viewpoint we were talking about, you have to go that way. So it's
That's-
temporarily closed, and maybe it's good, maybe it's for the better, because we're quite tired.
So we made an in-between stop because you really had to film this. This is just amazing.
You really have to film this, come on. This is the motorbike dance.
When you enter the street of the Mua Cave, there's a lot of motorcycle parkings. So the closer you get, the less you pay apparently. You already saw parkings for 10,000 dong. So don't get fooled by it. If you get to the start of the street, drive till the end, because we are trying to get sunset here. We're losing precious time.
So now the hard part starts. And we have, I'm pretending I have a watch here. We have 40 minutes to make it till the sunset. Which means then it'll start being dark, so...
She thinks we're over 100 steps, but I don't think so, to be honest.
It's like counted.
So 400 to go. Yay. Come on, Cecilie, you can do it. You've got them young chicken legs over there. And yes, I let her carry the bag. I put some bricks in it just to make sure she is in agony.
We just did non-stop walking up at a good pace. Took around 7 minutes.
It's not the top, you know. That's the top.
Did we go to the wrong top? So that's the dragon top. And we of course want to go highest. So wrong top. Let's get there.
Here is some dangerous stuff here.
Doesn't seem quite safe.
Oh.
How did they even get the dragon? Seems like there's a little bit of a traffic jam here by the dragon.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I guess the best spot is actually down there. You know, because you get the whole valley. I can't do this. It's just too far down. I'm like clinging to this dragon right now.
You know you're not in a good position.
I'm literally clinging to it.
It's okay. That's how real it is. You have to climb over each other.
Yeah,
exactly.
Come on first.
Yeah, can you take a picture?
Oh yeah, sure. What will you say about the view from the dragon?
It's quite nice. It's just difficult to reach when there is more people than there is volume.
To be honest, it seemed a bit dangerous when there were so many people.
Yeah, of course it is. Because everyone is pressured to get to sunset.
Yeah.
So they want to get their pictures done.
And
it's not worth it, I mean.
No, I mean just look at this view. Everyone's neglecting that for the sun.
Oh, it's because it has like a perfect scene, you know, it's like two mountains where the sun is setting in between.
So, this is the most famous viewpoint in all of the Ninh Binh province, I guess. And I feel so blessed that I know that our little motorbike is parked all the way down there in the end. Yeah, it's just a classic mistake, and you're like, huh, parking, okay.
Yeah, you assume there is only one legit parking,
and then and then there's like 20, and you're like, you get closer and closer, and you're like, why didn't I park here? Why didn't I park here? Why didn't I park here?
Yeah. Oh, nice. And this is how we end the day.
Yeah.
I and you are tired.
We had a great day though.
And I suppose tomorrow we are going to rent a bicycle if everything goes according to plan. Plans change, of course, you never know. And to go to the most touristic spots that are close by Tam Coc.
Great day.
It's tough.
Thanks for watching.
This is Cecilia. I had to film this.
My butt is all wet.
I just had to film this. You had this beer for about 5 minutes and you shame me. Shame.
I'm so tired.
No, you're so clumsy.
Yeah, but I don't know what to do right now because I'm so.
Get some toilet paper.
Toilet paper. We've seen how much there is. We don't have enough toilet paper for that.
Then use your t-shirt or something. Your t-shirt.
Gonna use
No, no.
I'm gonna use his sock.
I swear to you, I never hit a woman, but I will. Oh, is that your first thought? I gotta drink more.
I'm just so tired. It's been such a long day, and I'm just.
Okay. No worries. Bye.